Get them lined up before you start running.
Line them up.
Go. Stop. Line up. There you go. Nick. Nick.
Go, 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 go.
Good job, Caleb.
Good job.
Hey, Kayla, your time is 11.114.